Hey. Shock. Let me take you to experience it together. I first received it. Armor Smart Whiteboard under Dongfang Zhihong. I was stunned when I got this. What is this? Big TV. After touching it, I found. Hey, this seems to be touch sensitive. I played all afternoon and this shocked me. First of all, the black and gray ultra-narrow frame design. With arc-shaped corners. Putting it in the conference room is very businesslike. Not much to say about fluency. 7 milliseconds response speed. It also supports 20 people writing at the same time. Write with your fingers and rub on the back of your hand. You can also play on mobile. Expand unlimited space. You can also use it to make tables and graphics. Just imagine how handy it would be to use this for presentations. Secondly, I usually have a meeting to pass a file or something. I used to use a projector, a conference room full of lines. Take a look now, you can easily cast your screen with just one tap on your phone. And it is also equipped with a screen transfer device. Plug in the computer and you can transfer the screen wirelessly. 4K ultra clear display. Meet the needs of professional viewing. Let's take a look at the video conference now. Commonly used conference software is installed on the scene. Pick up sound at a distance of 8 meters. No matter how far away the sound is still clearly distinguishable. With external camera. With this Smart Series interactive whiteboard, meetings are like face-to-face. How cool. As long as you want the meeting seen. An Armor Smart digital whiteboard. To solve all your problems. Why not come and try?